Hey guys, welcome to today's episode with me. तो आज अभी के लिए obviously I'm going to the gym and before gym I'm gonna like pick up some food on the way. आज I'm gonna have egg club because the calories in egg club is like only 450 and normally if I'm having a proper Indian meal it's gonna be 700 to 800. So once in 2 or 3 days I prefer to have a light lunch and then probably burn that off in the gym. I'm gonna travel on Friday and abhi ke liye just preparing for it. Currently one issue that my phone has like 256 GB of storage and it's all full. Like I don't even have 500 MB free. So I don't know how am I gonna take photos in the place where I'm going. So I got to figure out how do I fix this. Probably get a USB and transfer the photos to the USB. I don't know how am I gonna do this in 2 days, but I have to figure it out because there's no other way possible that this works, because I have to take photos that too only in my phone because it's an iPhone 16 Pro Max and the friend of mine has an iPhone 13, so I prefer to take it from my phone only. पर पता नहीं क्या करूँगी स्टोरेज का. I asked ChatGPT and Gemini, waiting उनके reply के लिए. I mean I got their reply, but I just have to figure it out. How do I want it to be done? Anyways, see you guys later. Today's weather is much better. I think the winters are coming soon in Abu Dhabi and UAE in general, because I find the car like much better today. It was easily cooling and there was no much heat trapped inside. Also it was like quite easy to walk on the road because the weather is like a little bit breezy than what it was in the earlier days. It's 39 degrees according to my car temperature, but I know it's more than 45, but I know it's not 50 and like the other days. So the humidity and the heat levels are getting better. Winter is coming soon. Heading to the gym now, just parked my car. See you guys in a while. So guys, I'm home now and I'm gonna do a little bit of packing just so that कल और परसों I don't have to do ज़्यादा packing. तो थोड़ी बहुत packing करके फिर I'm gonna sleep. So I didn't do anything much. Again, it was like the same routine. I went to play badminton as usual and the overall score right now is 6-5. Like my friend is 6 and I'm 5. So I need to make it equal before I leave back. I mean leave to the country, wherever I'm going to, which I'm not going to disclose. So abhi ke liye to I'm gonna sleep and see you guys tomorrow for part 2. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the video. So आज है Onam and because of their Onam, I mean not their, because of Onam, most of the restaurants have like closed their dining, takeaway, delivery, everything. So there's no food available and usually my lunch is outside और ओनम के वजह से कुछ भी अवेलेबल नहीं है. Like obviously there's like chicken and Arabic cuisine, fast food, but I don't have chicken and I don't have meat. So normally जो veg restaurants है वो सब बंद है because of Onam. And honestly the only option left now is like having junk food like McDonald's के fries. But again it's a lot of calories, like 600-700. But I don't think I have an option because I have to eat something before I go to the gym. तो पता नहीं क्या करूँ. And I'm so done eating the egg club. Since 3 days I'm eating that. So I don't feel like eating that either. I don't know what do I eat. In the end I'll end up with McDonald's के french fries. That's it. For lunch. And today still feels hot. Probably yesterday it was just windy. Fuck. This is the temperature guys, and this for the first time it's accurate. It's extremely hot and humid. Not humid, it's just hot. And always the thing you do first when you enter the car and the car is parked in a very sunny area, you have to keep the glass open for a minimum of like 10 minutes so that all the heat trapped inside exits the car, because you don't want to sit in heat for the next 1 hour. Just got done with the gym. I did like a leg day today. And अभी मैं जा रही हूँ घर पे, फिर जाऊँगी बैडमिंटन. So अभी मैं हूँ घर पे, done with everything and waiting for my game. The game is at 10 and currently it's like around 8. So 2 hours to go for the game. That's it. My day will end there mostly. पता नहीं और कहाँ जाऊँगी. Final packing done. Backpacks ready to go. Day after tomorrow I'm going. तो probably कल का reel, कल का वीडियो मैं पोस्ट करूँगी. और फिर day 1 of traveling, day 2 of traveling. I don't know. I'm not going to disclose the place yet. जहाँ मैं जा रही हूँ वो परसों ही पता चलेगा. Anyways, signing off for today. See you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned. Something exciting is going to come up.